In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to replace the Human Touch Super Novo back cover. The first thing we're going to do is use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 6 screws that secure the backrest cover. Once the screws are removed, then the backrest is still attached by 3 clips at along the top edge. So we need to pull out both from the bottom and then using that ledge in the middle, pull out in both areas to detach the backrest from the chair. Now we're ready to install the new backrest cover. To do this, we need to notice these tabs here, and then you can see in the back there's 2 corresponding slots. These tabs need to go into those slots. So the first step is to do that. Once those tabs are in those slots, we can slowly raise the back cover, but don't go too fast because we need to avoid running this into here and scratching the upholstery. This is actually kind of extended, so we need to push in on the sides of the plastic as we raise it up and then tuck those tabs on the side of the plastic into the upholstery to avoid damaging the upholstery. And finally on the top, you'll notice there's 3 sets of balls and sockets here that need to be aligned. They should basically be aligned by this point already, but make sure those are aligned and then snap those into place. And finally, we're ready to install the screws that secure the back cover. It's important to just visually make sure those screw holes are aligned really well before you install any screws. And if they're not, that means one of the 3 steps we just completed did not go well. Likely culprit is as you were adjusting the middle or the top of the backrest cover, the slot may have come out of the tab on the bottom, which will allow it to move out of alignment. So if the screw holes aren't lined up, you kind of have to start from square one and check the alignment of all those 3 steps. But once they're all aligned, we can start installing the 6 screws to secure it.